Hello everybody, I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of Microsoft Teams. In the previous video that Mr. Miller sent, he sent you a video on how to download Teams, and once you've logged into Teams, this is what you see. This is effectively the landing page, and it shows you all the subjects that your child has. So this account is linked to a Year 6 account, so on here it shows Art, English, PE, Arabic, etc. What I want to show you is a few of the features on Teams. So to do this, I'm going to use the class demo account that I've created. Now, just click on once, and then this puts you into the class. It's the same as Google, but it's just way better organized, way better linked together. So this is the same as the Google Classroom wall. On here we've got things like when assignments have been uploaded, when meetings have been scheduled, and also you can put notes on here. The improvement over Google is that the meetings are actually inbuilt into Microsoft Teams, whereas Google we had to use Zoom separately and upload files separately. This way it's all in a single place. So as I said, this is the wall, same as Google, and it's just that it has a few enhancements that allow for better interaction. Now, also up here it shows you the files at the very top. Now these files are the files that the teachers have uploaded. Will include the recordings of previous sessions, class materials up here, and also anything else that the teachers deem important. What I've done is I've put Year 1C timetable in here just to show you opening the document. This is one of the great enhancements over Google. When you open the document, it actually opens inside Microsoft Teams. It will do this for PowerPoint, it will do this for Excel files, it will do this for Word files. And you can actually edit the document that is inside these files. So this is 1C's timetable. So if I felt like it, I could maybe change the colour. So highlight the cells, and then I will use the table option just to change the colour of the cells. Let's make them purple. Automatically saves the document, which is really good. Now, the tools in here are very useful, but if you're more comfortable using the desktop version, you can click in the middle, open desktop app. And then what this will do is it will open up the desktop app, and then you can edit the document on the desktop app. So it's quite simple, quite straightforward, really useful. And because all the files are saved on Microsoft OneDrive, they save live. Great improvement, means that any editing is saved instantly. No need to worry about computer crashes for that. Let's go back to Teams. Now I'm going to close the file because I've already got it open in my desktop app. And let's go on and show you the assignments section. I'm not going to talk about Class Notebook because we're still working on using that. I'm going to show you the assignments. Now the assignments shows that there's nothing assigned at the minute. In assignments, this is where you will find assignments that can be completed. And in the past I have completed assignments, so they're here. I can click on this and go back into the quiz that I did. And this quiz, when it opens, shows it's already been done. So because the assignment's already been done, it's now stored in my grades. So because I've done it yesterday, done my quiz 1, handed in, and it's stored in here. The general, like I said, it's your home channel. And on General, it also shows you when meetings have been scheduled. So, I'll show you a different way to view this. Let's go into Calendar. On the calendar is when lessons have been scheduled. The teachers will schedule these, and to get into a lesson, you just have to click and join the lesson. Because I'm using demo account, it will not let me join a session because obviously the demo account is linked to my session itself. But these are the options for when you join, so camera, computer audio, room audio, etc. For student purposes, camera needs to be on and use the computer audio. Okay? And then you can join the session. And when you join the sessions, a lot of it will be controlled by teachers. So they can control the chat, etc. Okay? So you'll have, when you joined, it'll say waiting for others to join first. But you will be able to view the chat, same as the past, but this will be restricted. Okay? This is the meeting chat. This is where you can view whoever's in here. Also on here, you've got the options, so like, heart, applause, laugh, etc. Teachers will be sharing their screens. At the minute it is set. This option is here at the minute, but it won't be available when most classes are going on the sharing screen. I will have it disabled. To leave a meeting, you just leave it, and then it will turn it off. Okay. That feature is a much better improvement over Google, because for that you had to use Zoom, but now they're both linked together. Everything is linked in one single place, one single point of contact. Okay. If you have any problems when you're trying to use Teams, the teachers get a really good understanding of this, and our IT department has a very good understanding of this now. So if you want assistance in using this in any way, just contact us, and then we'll help you. Contact us through Dojo, and then obviously someone will be able to help you through it. But in terms of this program, we think it does need a little bit more work to be able to use it, but once you understand it, it does work. Probably, well, it definitely works a lot better than Google and Zoom together. Now, if you don't want to download the desktop app, you can run this off of a web browser, off of an internet browser. It looks identical when I tried it off of the internet browser. It has all the same features, it's just that it's using an internet browser. Apparently this option of using a browser is not available using Macs, but it is available on PCs. So that's our quick demonstration of MS Teams. I said if you have any issues with it, any problems, just message a teacher through Dojo and we'll find you the answers, and have a nice day.